Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create a superb logo. Creating logo for YouTube or for gaming. So let's start our video after an intro.
हम दिए के ऊपर हाथ रख के कसम खाते हे गणपति बापा हम कसम खाता है करोड़ों रुपया मिलेगा फिर भी हेरा फेरी नहीं करेगा
फिर हेरा फेरी कभी नहीं करेंगे बुझ गया।
To this, watch the video carefully till the end and motivate me to upload new interesting videos like this. And please supporting me by liking my page in Facebook and following me in Instagram. And if you have any doubts about me and my channel, please join my Telegram group. All the social links are given below. So without wasting our time, let's start our video. First you need to download the Archiver from Play Store. After that, download Pixellab from Play Store. Links are given below. See there. After downloading the apps, open the file link in my description box. It takes you to the browser. Click the download button here. And click download anyway. Download starts. After that, open the file with the Archiver. Now open the Archiver and locate an open download folder. Here you will find a zip file, logo making by Torr Beta. Click on it and click extract here and enter password like this: logo _by _torr _beta. And click OK now. Wait till extraction completes. After that you can see two folders, fonts and logos. I am giving you 280+ logos and 170+ fonts free. For this, please give me a like and subscribe. And keep supporting me. Open Pixellab and click on plus symbol here. And select from gallery and select a logo from my folder which you want. Click on the logo and click on right mark and place the logo correctly to fit in the screen. After that, click on the layers option here and select the text options edit button and bring the text to front. Now close the layers. Now drag down the text and place it on the blank area and click on it and edit the text which name you want and click OK. Place it correctly and click on the text settings here and scroll down and select font options. Clicking on the font options, you can change the font of your name. There is local fonts in the Pixellab app. If you like it, you can select that also. To use my fonts, click on my fonts option and click on plus directories and click download folder and select fonts folder and click on add directory. Now select a font which you like and place the text correctly. To make the text slight banding, click on the curve option in text settings and select the percentage of curve. As the text fits in the logo, now just simply enable the settings. That's all I am saying. Enable the shadow. Enable the inner shadow. Enable the emboss. Enable the 3D text. And enable the 3D shadow. Now select the color option. Click on it. Click gradient. Now plus. And click on the white box here. And click on paint symbol. Here you click on dropper symbol. And select the logo here. And point the circle into a dark color of your logo. Now OK. And select black box now. And click on paint symbol. Now click on dropper symbol. And same. Select logo. And point the circle into a light color in your logo. Click right now. And click on OK. And click on right symbol. Now click on the stroke option. And enable it. And adjust the width. That perfectly fit to your logo. And click right symbol. Now your logo is ready. And to save the image, click on SD card option. And click on Save as Image. And click on Save to Gallery, the image or the logo. Directly save to your gallery. And the image quality is very good. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please motivate me by giving a like. And share this video to your friends. And if you have any doubts, or if this video is useful to you, comment me below. And please get subscribed to my channel. And press the bell icon to get notified of my new uploaded video. Thank you.